Here are the top 10 most sold cell phone brands in the world, their features and functions. Number 10. Motorola. Motorola is an American company that offers smartphones with near-stock Android experience. Their devices are known for their long battery life, water resistance, and durability. They also offer features like turbo power fast charging and Moto Actions, which allows you to control your phone with gestures. Number 9. Sony. Sony is a Japanese company that offers smartphones with high-quality cameras and displays. They also offer features like water resistance, wireless charging, and long battery life. Sony devices are also known for their great audio quality. Number 8. LG. LG is a South Korean company that offers smartphones with high-quality displays and cameras. Their devices come with advanced features like Quad DAC for high-quality audio, wireless charging, and water resistance. Number 7. Lenovo. Lenovo is a Chinese company that offers smartphones under the Motorola brand. Motorola devices come with a near-stock Android experience, which means they are optimized for performance and security. They also offer features like water resistance, large battery capacities, and fast charging. Number 6. Huawei. Huawei is a Chinese company that offers smartphones with high-quality cameras, excellent displays, and powerful processors. They also offer features like fast charging and large battery capacities. However, due to some restrictions, Huawei has faced some limitations in accessing certain software, including Google services. Number 5. Vivo. Vivo is another Chinese company that offers smartphones with great camera capabilities. They offer devices with high-resolution displays, powerful processors, and multiple cameras. They also offer features like fast charging and large battery capacities. Number 4. Oppo. Oppo is a Chinese company that offers smartphones with great camera capabilities. Their devices come with high-resolution displays, powerful processors, and fast charging. They also offer features like VOOC fast charging, which allows you to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in under an hour. Number 3. Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a Chinese company that offers smartphones with top-of-the-line features at affordable prices. They offer devices with high-resolution displays, powerful processors, multiple cameras, and fast charging capabilities. Xiaomi devices also run on MIUI, their proprietary operating system that provides a lot of customization options. Number 2. Apple. Apple is an American company that designs and manufactures iPhones. Their devices come with an advanced operating system, iOS, that is known for its simplicity and security. iPhones are known for their high-quality build, excellent cameras, and great software optimization. They also offer features like Face ID, wireless charging, and fast charging. Number 1. Samsung. Samsung is a South Korean company that offers a wide range of smartphones in various price ranges. Their high-end devices come with features such as high-resolution displays, powerful processors, excellent cameras, water resistance, and wireless charging. They also have a large battery capacity and support 5G connectivity. Please note that these are just brief overviews of some of the features and functions offered by these brands, and there may be variations within their different models and price ranges. Comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.